Fowler's Machinist Spirit Levels, solid steel construction and heat insulated frames. Available in 6, 8, and 12-inch sizes on the straight level, and frame levels available in 6 and 8-inch sizes. Both have 5 10,000ths graduations, or also available in 2 10,000ths graduations. Feature a fully ground base with a V for mounting on cylindrical surfaces. The frame level features a V on the horizontal base as well as one vertical base. Backed by Fowler's full 1-year warranty, the Machinist Spirit Levels.